The coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, is spreading across the globe. Infectious disease experts say this could be a very serious outbreak, one of the worst in recent history. So it's important to take precautions for yourself and your family. Fortunately, there are some things you can do to protect against the coronavirus according to the Centers for Disease Control. First, you should understand that the virus spreads between people who are in close contact within 6 feet through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. If the droplets land in the mouth or nose or are inhaled into the lungs, that person can be infected. It is also possible to catch the virus by touching a surface or object with the virus on it, and then touching their mouth, nose, or maybe even eyes. However, person-to-person contact is believed to be the main way this virus is transmitted. That's why to prevent the spread of the disease, it is important to avoid contact with people who are sick. Here are 5 simple ways to help stop coronavirus. Wash your hands often. Use your elbow to cough into. Don't touch your face. Stay more than 3 feet apart from anyone. Stay home if you feel sick. Other important notes. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds often, especially after sneezing, blowing your nose, or coughing, and before eating. Clean objects like your phone often. Limit cell phone exposure in public. Symptoms include fever, cough, and difficulty breathing. If you suspect you have the coronavirus, what should you do? You should seek medical attention and wear a face mask to protect those around you. Call ahead to your healthcare provider to let them know your symptoms, recent travel, and any contact you may have had with an infected person. The provider will then make a determination about next steps, which may include being tested for the coronavirus and further monitoring your symptoms. We are all in this together. Let's stay positive and healthy and take it a day at a time.